Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1T 10 Smart 2020, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. First of all, you need to open your Photos app. Now hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of, in my case this one. And to select multiple ones, click on those type of dots at the top left corners. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully selected. If you wish to exclude some of them, just click on the chosen ones. To delete the rest, click on this bin next to the shopping cart at the top right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!